Welcome to a new video. Today we'll be reviewing what happened when you don't see a contest on N1MM. Okay, so this is a good example right here. This past weekend we had the YBDX PISSB contest, and if I wanted to participate, what I do, I go and open N1MM, and when you're going to get into a new login database to load the correct contest, you look in your list and you don't find it. In this case, I do have it because I already set it up, but before I set it up, I was not able to see the YBDXPI contest. So even if I click in it, I deleted the file, so I can walk you through exactly on what you need to do. I do have a message here that I don't have the user defined contest file. The processes are the same. When you don't see a contest in your list, so what you need to do is you need to go back into the page, you click on the correct contest, and you go into the link for rules, or I guess the other one will work fine, but here click on this one for the rules, and make sure you locate this section for software. Some of these sections are called file downloads or anything to that extent. So in this case, I will go into file downloads, and I want to make sure that I download the user defined contest. So this is a UDC file, and you do have two. So the question here becomes, which one do I download? If you're in the YB land, obviously you download that one. We're DX Station, or I am. So I need to download this one. When I click here, I will be I already did. So once you have your file, you need to open this window twice. And because in one you will be into the download section, and on the other one you will be in your N1MM, and you need to make sure you move that file into the user defined contests folder. Okay, so I will just go ahead and drag. You can always just copy paste, and once you have that file here in this folder, user defined contests, you can go ahead and close, and we can get back into N1MM. And from here, you will need to most likely close the software and reopen it. Sometimes it doesn't take it right away. So I'm going to get back to this. I keep getting this message. I cannot OK it yet. So what I will do, we'll restart the software. And now we're going to new login database. Now you will be able to see the contest in your list. And now I'm able to click OK. Before I do that, I need to make sure that I configured this correctly. As we saw on a previous video, I am a signal operator. I'm planning to do all the bands, and my power will be low, which is up to 100 watts. Sometimes it's 150, could be more or less, but just pay attention to that one right there. The mode is correct. I am not assisted, and my exchange will be 001. So I need to send a signal, which will be 59 in this case. an RS plus the serial number. So my contact number 2 will be 002. My contact 20 will be 020, and so forth and so on. So I'm going to click OK. And now, for example, if I hear N3TKG, or I'm calling for CQ contest, and N3TKG answers my call, and in this case, N3TKG will be my first contact. So I will provide number 1, and let's say N3TKG says you are my number 10. So I can enter the number that I received from this person, click enter, and now I get the log in. All right, so this is it. And again, just make sure you download the user defined contest file, and most of the web pages will have this section here for you to be able to download the files. Not only that, they will give you a link also for you to download N1MM. Sometimes they have other links available to you to be able to download other softwares, logger softwares. And in this case, we only have N1MM, which is great. And you have clear instructions on how to do this, how to configure it. So it will help tremendously. All right. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have comments or questions, let me know. If you want me to make a video on something more specific to your needs, just let me know and I'll happy to help you out. Okay. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Bye.